Want to start a dropshipping business but not sure where to begin? In this step-by-step guide, we'll show you exactly how to launch and grow a profitable store in 2026. Dropshipping is an e-commerce business model where you sell products online without holding inventory. When a customer places an order, your supplier ships the product directly to them, giving you more time to focus on marketing and growing your business. Most beginners can launch a dropshipping business in just 2 to 4 weeks, with startup costs typically ranging from $500 to $2,000 depending on your platform and marketing budget. Step 1. Choose a profitable niche. Start by selecting a focused niche with consistent demand. Research trends, analyze competitors, and look for products that support healthy profit margins. Step 2. Register your business. Set up your business properly by choosing a structure like an LLC and applying for any required tax permits or resale certificates. Step 3. Choose your platform. Decide where you want to sell, whether it's Shopify, Amazon, or Walmart. Each platform has different fees, rules, and opportunities. Step 4. Find reliable suppliers. Your supplier is critical to your success. Working with verified US-based suppliers helps ensure faster shipping, better product quality, and higher customer satisfaction. Step 5. Build your store. Create your online store, import products, and set your pricing. Make sure your product pages are clear, professional, and optimized for conversions. Step 6. Launch marketing. Start driving traffic using paid ads, social media, or SEO. Testing is key. Use data to identify what methods perform best. Step 7. Optimize and scale. Once you start generating sales, focus on scaling. Expand winning products, refine your marketing, and improve your customer experience. Common mistakes to avoid. Many beginners fail by choosing oversaturated products, underestimating marketing costs, or working with unreliable suppliers. Avoiding these mistakes can significantly improve your chances of success. Building a successful dropshipping business comes down to choosing the right products, working with reliable suppliers, and staying consistent as you grow. By applying these steps, you'll be in a strong position to launch, improve your store over time, and build a business that can scale.
Connect, simplify, scale. Top Dog, leading the pack in dropshipping.